Guys, we've been looking at some new artists for the End of the Era exhibition, and we have a few of them here. We just want to show them to you. Yeah.
Sure.
Fatty, can you help me? Project. Oh, yeah. Okay. पिछले 2 साल में Enzo market में थोड़ा fade out हो गया है. So we're looking at a bunch of new artists who, have larger Instagram followings, have brand collaborations, are able to draw in bigger crowds. And they know how to make art, but more importantly, they know how to sell art.
Plus the old ones are too big. वो तो घास डालने से रहे.
I mean, I've tried, लेकिन exhibition के लिए time कम है, and the bigger ones, you're right, are pretty unavailable. And then there are these two, Sameer Sawant. They've got great publicity, and they just had a show in Japan, so they've also got a lot of cred. Okay, so there are a few more. Fatty.
I think this second one is quite cool, right?
Yeah, I agree.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Who will be our highlight? Who'll be our showrunner?
We desperately need some high-profile artists.
These are fantastic, guys. You've done a lot in 2 weeks.
Right.
Guys, if y'all are good with these new artists, then we have a Sangram.
Oh.
Oh. No. I'm sorry, guys. मैंने केचप पे इस शंडिल्य पनिग्रा को मेरा नंबर दिया था. मैंने सोचा कि मैं रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करूंगी, तो he'll get the hint. Some people are like this only. Fatty off नहीं हो रहा है.
Why don't you just block this guy, right?
Yeah.
No. I'm going to do that. I'm going to tell them that this is just not
And
not done.